In this video, we will go through some worked examples for fractions of an amount. If you find this video helpful, please support me by subscribing. Feel free to comment below with any questions or any other topics so that I can make more videos you will benefit from. Let's get started. Question 1. Find half of 20. So you can guess we need to divide 20 into two parts, and each part will be 10. So half of 20 equals 10. Next, number 2, find a third of 48. Similarly, this time we're dividing 48 into 3 parts. So 48 divided by 3 equals 16. So a third of 48 is 16. Question 3, find a quarter of 44. A quarter means we're dividing 44 into 4 parts, and one part will be 11. Question 4, find 1/5 of 60. Dividing 60 into 5 parts, and one part is 12. Question 5, find 1/8 of 72. We're dividing 72 into 8 parts, and each part is 9. Okay, question 6, slightly different. This time you were asked about finding 2/3 of 240. So it's not 1/3 anymore. This time we will need 2 steps. First, we need to find 1/3 of 240 by dividing 240 into 3 parts. That gives us 80, because 3 times 8 is 24, and we have a 0 there. So 1/3 of 240 is 80. Then to find 2/3, that means we have 2 of them. So 80 times by 2 equals 160. So the answer will be 2/3 of 240 is 160. Question 7. 3/4 of 180. Step 1. Find 1/4. So divide 180 into 4 parts. Each part is 45. Then to find 3/4, simply times 45 by 3. Because 1/4 of 180 is 45. Therefore, 3/4 will be 45 times by 3. And the answer is 135. If you're unsure about doing multiplications without calculator, do check out my other video. Question 8, find 2/5 of 140. So 140 divide into 5 parts. Each part is 28. We need 2/5, so 28 times by 2 equals 56. Question 9. 5/6 of 72. Similarly, two-step calculation. Divide 72 into 6 parts. So 1 part, or 1/6, is 12. Then to find a 5/6, we need to use 12 times by 5. So the answer is 60. Number 10, 3/7 of 56. So divide 56 into 7 parts. So each part is 8. So 1/7 is 8. Therefore, to find 3/7, use 8 times by 3, give us 24. So that's our answer. Question 11. 3/4 of number x is 39. Find the number x. So, if we do the forward thinking, the first step you would do is x divided by 4 will give me 1/4. And then I times that by 3 will give me 39. So 39 is 3 parts. So to go backwards, all I need to do is doing the reverse of the process. So if 39 was 3 parts, then I can use 39 divided by 3 to find 1 part, which is 13. And then for the number x, that was 4 parts. So 13 times by 4 give us 52. So the answer for number x is 52. Okay. 2/5 of number n is 18. Find the value of n. So number n, divide into 5 parts, then times that by 2 to give us 18. Okay, so 2/5 of number n is 18. So 18 is 2 parts. Therefore, to find 1 part, we use 18 divided by 2, give us 9. Then the number n had 5 parts. So 9 times by 5 give us 45. So number n is 45. Number 13. 5/6 of the number is 30. Find this number. If we divide this number into 6 parts, 5 parts is 30. 5 parts is 30. So we can find 1 part by using 30 divided by 5 equals 6. And the number had 6 parts. 6 times by 6 equals 36. So this number is 36. Let's have a look at an applied question. 14. The normal price of a computer game is £40. The price is reduced by 1/5 in a cell. Work out the price of the computer game in the cell. Okay, normal price of the computer game is £40. So this is our original price. The price is reduced by 1/5 in a cell. So we need to find what is 1/5 of the £40. Therefore, 1/5 of the £40. That's what we need to find out. So to find that, divide 40 into 5 parts. Each part is 8. So one part is £8. The price was reduced by £8. Because it's reduced, we have to use subtraction. 40 minus 8 equals 32. So that's our answer. The price of the computer game in the sale is £32. Last question, 15. Steve has 50 sweets. He gives 2/5 of the sweets to Sandra. He gives 3/10 of the sweets to Jamie. Steve keeps the rest of the sweets for himself. Work out how many sweets Steve keeps. Looks like a long question, but we can treat each sentence respectively. So to start with, Steve has 50 sweets. He then gives 2/5 of the sweets to Sandra. So 2/5 of the sweets, which is 2/5 of the 50 to Sandra. Okay, let's work this one out. Divide 50 into 5 parts. Each part contains 10 sweets. Therefore, 2/5 is 20 sweets. Then he gives 3/10 of the sweets, or of the 50 sweets, to Jamie. So again, divide 50 into 10 parts. Each part is 5, and 3/10 is 5 times 3, give us 15 sweets. Steve keeps the rest of the sweets for himself. Okay, so in total, he gives 20 plus 15, 35 sweets. So he gives away 35 sweets in total. So the leftover will be 50 minus 35 equals 15. So that's the answer. Steve kept 15 sweets for himself. That's all for today. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.